Oh yes, guys, what you see here is something special. This is do-it-yourself boat engine, speedboat engine, and I made a seat as the viewers asked me, the driver's seat. I made it from, I don't know the English word, but in my language it's called kastrul, pott or a kastrul. The kastrul maybe is not very good idea. I have a feeling this will capsize. This will capsize. Oh. It's almost capsize. Problem, big problem with the stability. Okay, we are going. Very good, very good. No problem anymore. It's a very stable, good experience. Reverse gear. Come on, come on. This is now in the deep sea already. Oh. Yeah, it's turning, but I am not doing the turning. Floating out of the picture. I try to come back now. It's not doing what I wanted to doing. Oh shit! That's going. Let's go. Oh, son of a bitch.